Standing on the low water bridge that part of it's broke in, but this is what holds the ice whenever the right fork of Hollow River gets frozen with ice like it is now. Ice tends to back up here, so we're filming before the breakup, because I expect another day or two with rising temperatures. All the ice is going to jam up here. Maybe not as much as it used to, since this is, you can see it's collapsed down from where I'm standing here. But if it's going to jam up, this is the spot it'll jam up. Right below that low water bridge where the ice tends to jam up is this rickety wooden and wire swinging bridge. I doubt that the Corps of Engineers have inspected this lately, because it doesn't look too stable. But we're going to go out on it anyway. Yeah, look at that. Walking up there, it might break. Might just go to the edge here. We'll keep the camera rolling in case I take a tumble. Now one side's resting on the cable. Yeah, that doesn't sound too good. Okay, made it over that part. Boy, it's got a dip in it since the last time I was here. Trick is to stand on as many of the boards as possible to distribute your weight, because these could just be rotted. I mean, the boards down here should walk like that. Put your weight on a couple boards at a time. It's a little icy too. It's already rocking on me. Right there's that low water bridge. You can see how it's broke in the center there and sunk in. So I'm not sure how much ice will pack up against there this year. The video I did about 5 years ago, all of it jammed up on the back side of that because the bridge was still intact. It might just flow over it. It's hard to catch a breakup of the ice jam. It could occur in the middle of the night. It's supposed to be about 50 tomorrow and close to 60 the 2 days after that. So there's going to be a lot of melt and breakup of this ice. So it's going to be hard to tell when it's going to happen. It's looking downriver, the right fork of the Hollow River. This is Braxton County. This is at Robinson Run. Not a lot of ice on the river, considering the cold blast that we've had for the last 4 days. This is Tuesday. Friday it went down to sub-zero temperatures, all the way down Saturday to about 4 or 5 degrees and lower in places. That low water bridge is just around the corner there. You can see it's all frozen here. I don't think it's very thick though. A couple inches at most. Maybe towards the sides where there wasn't as much flow. You could tell in the center froze less there. On the sides here it might be more. It's quiet here where it's frozen. Don't know how far up it's frozen, out of sight right now, but 100 yards it appears to be frozen, at least that far. This is the same place as the other video that'll be in the link that I did 5 years ago. If I'm lucky enough to catch this ice jam breakup, I'll put a tripod here, make it more stable. This is another low water bridge, a good 6-7 miles above the other one. This is up in Webster County on my uncle's property. Potential area if there's any ice this far up. It could jam up right up against this here. There's culverts underneath the bridge. That's where that water's flowing right now. That's the Niagara Falls of the right fork of the Holly River there.